How to change date of birth on Epic Games. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change date of birth on Epic Games. So for that, just open your Epic Games account and then just log into your account, and after that just click on the profile icon from the top right, and here you will see the option called accounts. Just click on it. And now on the left hand side menu you will see this option called parental controls. Just click on it, and here you will have to enter your PIN, which is required to go to the parents control section. If you don't have set up your PIN, just go ahead and set up that, and if you already have, just enter that and click on confirm. And here when you will scroll all the way down, you will see this option called Epic Games Store game rating. So if you scroll this bar from the right extreme, you will see that it has become unrated, and now you will be able to see all kinds of games and things that the Epic Games has to offer. So this is how you will be able to change your date of birth on Epic Games. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.